Alright, today, driving to work, my indicator light came on, said left front tire low, needs air. And then I went and looked and I found this big old nut in it. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out. Let's see if it's leaking first. Yep, you can see the bubbles coming out right here. So it does have a slow leak. I'll let it bubble up. While we're waiting on that, we'll go ahead and get it ready to ream it out. Get a plug to put in it. I've been installing plugs for about 30 years. I've never had a problem with a plug. And they last as long as the tire does. We'll flatten out the end here. You get it between here. Grab it. Once we have it, we're going to center it up. That looks about center. Even it out. Put our plug there. See all the bubbles coming out? We definitely have a slow leak. Let's go ahead and pull this out. See what we got. There it is. Plug this baby back up. Man, look at that thing. Alright. Let's try to get it before the tire goes flat. Give me this rag. Get our glue on this plug. Just makes it slide in easier. Plus helps seals it up. Now the air is going to come out, so it's going to be pushing glue on you, so just be careful when you do it. Slide this in. Almost to the tip, and then pull out. Clean off your tool. Wipe off this excess of glue. Next is to cut the plug. There we go. We'll cut it off flush with the tire. Check for leaks and see if it'll bubble up. We'll put the proper air in it. Any leaks? Nope. We'll check it again once we fill it up. 20 pounds. If it starts to leak, you'll see a whole bunch of tiny bubbles. Keep adding soap to it. Let's see, we're at 20, 30. We'll go about 32. We go. No more leaks. Put our cap back on. And that's as good as new. And that's it.